Oh my god, guys, I just dropped my phone. It went flying. The pen came out. My the transmitter for the camera blew apart into pieces, and I actually got it back together. It's pretty sick. So there's Gingy boy. What are you doing, buddy? So I am going to show you guys. I've been doing a lot of research, and we're gonna go check the melon out. This will be a really quick video. This is 3 ways to tell when your melon head is done. He's an apple head. That's actually what they're called. The apple head. He's not a melon head. Oh my god, guys, I can't even see out here. It is like heat warnings around here. It's gonna be like 34 degrees. It's gonna be insane, guys. Whew. This is just cooking. So, number one thing, guys, back here, that will be soft to push in. And it's still really, really firm. Now, the melon, you shouldn't have to force it to snap off the branch. Like, you see? It's like on there good. So it doesn't want to come off. That means it is not ripe yet. Number 3, what other ways is there? I think there's a couple other ways. But number 3, in between the veins, will all start to change color. And you'll notice it, guys. Oh, and the smell. I put it to my nose. I can smell a little bit of sweetness, but the smell apparently is how you tell. It'll smell really strong. Now, I don't have any experience with this really, so over time, I guess you would figure that out, guys. But that's my melon. I just had a green rush. We're going to be watering it. And it should be done soon, guys. So I hand pollinated it myself, I believe. There was bees out here, but it was the one that I did. So yeah, it's growing pretty good. You know what's cool too? These little things, they're strong and they grow around to like support the plant. It's so freaking neat, guys. So that's all Melonhead Rippy has for you today. You guys are amazing. Subscribe, comment, like. Oh, and Gingy says he loves you all. Signing off.